Hello everybody, welcome back to I Speak Organized. My name is Melanie and I'm your professional organizer and productivity consultant. I help hardworking families and professionals find form in their space and purpose for every phase of life. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my stupidly simple decluttering tip for your home. I call it the home basket system. It's something that we've been implementing into our night routine before bed, and we've been doing it for a couple of months, and it has been a huge game changer. I shared it on social media a couple of days ago, and it's been getting a lot of really positive feedback. So I figured I would turn on the camera and take you for a quick demonstration and show you what it's all about. So maybe you can try it out in your own home and keep it clutter free, or I mean, let's be honest, probably just, you know, less cluttered, because we're all humans and not crazy high functioning robot people. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and stick with me. I'm gonna get myself a glass of water and a towel because we just got back from a walk and it is really hot outside. I'm feeling very parched, so just give me a minute. I will see you guys on the other side. Let's get to it. Oh my God, look how organized my house is. The concept is to have a dump zone in different parts of your house. We have 3 zones in the bedroom, the kitchen, and the playroom, since those areas contain the most traffic and activity. And as a side note, this part of the video is amateur hour noobsville because this clip is sideways. Sorry y'all. I have a brand new baby and I'm not going to refilm it. But hey, you are here for the concept and not the award-winning cinematography anyway. Not only is this a great decluttering tip, but also it's a really good way to create a catch-all space for those random things that end up getting misplaced on a regular basis. And I'll give you an example. My husband was looking for his Bluetooth headphones to go on a run the other day, and he had left them, you know, in his pants pocket or in some random corner of our room or something, and I picked them up and stuck them in the basket that sits on our kitchen counter. And he thought to himself as he was frantically running around looking for these headphones, where might they be? Maybe Mel put them in the basket, and wouldn't you know, lo and behold, he went looking in there and he found them. So we stopped dysfunction right in its tracks, and he was able to get out the door in no time. And that is just another example of how a little easy implementation of productivity can make your life so much less stressful. So you can see the idea is to unload out of place items where they belong. If you've got a full basket in another zone, just replace it with an empty one until all your homeless stuff goes back to where it needs to be. If you're consistent and do this at least a couple of times a week, you'll see a serious reduction in clutter in your house. And that is it. I know, it's ridiculous how simple that is. And it's not intrusive. You know, you don't need 15 baskets. You don't even need one in every room. It can help your kids, you know, just throw stuff in the basket if they don't feel like bringing it all the way back up to their room right that moment, you know, just to at least get things out of the way and give them a temporary home so that then it's easier to go ahead and put things back where they belong. You can designate a time to do that later if you want to. There's a whole bunch of different ways that we could nerd out about the home basket system, but we don't have time for that. So if you come up with anything, drop it in the comments below. I would love to hear your ideas. I firmly believe that everyone is an expert in something, and so share your ideas with us. I would love that. Thanks for sticking around. I will see you guys in the next video. Please, please, please consider subscribing to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Go ahead and check out some of my other videos. I do a lot of tutorials on organization and productivity. I will see you guys in the next video. We'll get to work on something else fun. Bye.